2, 1, go. No, you make it, make it.
Big bites. Big bites.
Breathe them. Last time you
don't breathe. Just bite. Stop breathing. You're being selfish. Stop breathing.
Don't make a lot. Make them last. Just let them do his thing. Zoning in. Zoning in. Zoning in.
He'll get it. Because he's already at the topic, dude.
Jesus, Jeremy.
I guarantee I could beat him.
I would be crying.
Is that the shirt that he wore last time?
No, last time he wore his black shirt with a blue star on it.
Oh, okay.
Okay, we got a time of 52 seconds. 52 seconds.
He's already halfway done.
You're going to smoke it. You're going to vomit. Afterwards, you're going to take a cigar and sit there. We're at a minute 7.
Come on.
You mean it?
Make an insult while he's doing it. Dude, picture that kid's face on the wall.
You what time do we have? Right now it's a minute 32. Minute 32. Yeah, he's going right now.
Come on.
Ooh. Nice. That's a good one. That's a little tough one. You want your name and picture back on that plaque. And you want one of the new t-shirts. Get in the zone. Yeah. What?
Come on.
What time do you have, Brendan? I got 2 minutes, 2 seconds.
Come on, Jeremy.
You're almost done. Just pace yourself here at 2-2. Don't let it all ease up now.
Oh, got it.
Projectile. Oh yeah, get that down.
Sucks it down. Come on, Jeremy.
Yeah. Go through withdrawal. Shaking violently.
You want it.
Come on. All that sugar coursing through his body right now.
Don't eat the banana all at one time. Take some ice cream.
Time. 2:42. 2:42.
What time's he got to
Coming up in under a minute. 3:58.
Yeah.
Under a minute. I'm so scared right now.
Take half those bananas.
Yeah.
Go towards the ice cream.
Let's come here now. Time, what time you got? You got 3 minutes right now. You got 58 seconds, Jeremy.
I don't want to watch it. Take big breaths in between.
You're going to get it. You're going to get it. You just got to pace yourself. Oh. I'm going with it. Like 9 times to your mouth.
Can be.
Time. 3:21. 3:21. You got to pick it up, buddy.
Come on.
Put it down.
You're so close.
All you got to do is put it down. Put it down. Around. Start scooping it around.
This is just toppings. Let it soak down.
Time. 3:37, 38, 39. Attaboy.
Yeah.
Put it down, Jeremy. Time right now, time.
Put your head back. Don't let it out.
48, 50. You got 8 seconds. One more now. Give it to you. One more. Winner.